quick guide to replacing the left clutch hinge on a 17-inch MacBook Pro. You will need a replacement left clutch hinge, T6 and T8 drivers, spudger, and screws tray. Power off, unplug, and ground yourself. Safety tip: avoid static and battery shorting. Remove the bottom case screws and lift the lower case, keeping screws organized by location. Disconnect the battery connector first, then carefully release the display cable connectors and antenna leads. Open the lid and expose the hinge area. Then remove the hinge mounting screws. We'll speed up repetitive screws removal. Lift out the old left clutch hinge and compare it side by side with the new replacement. Position the new hinge and loosely thread the mounting screws to allow final alignment. Align the clutch mechanism and verify smooth movement before final tightening. Torque specification 1.8 Newton meters. Safety tip: avoid over-tightening small screws. Reconnect the display cable and battery. Ensure each connector clicks into place, then boot to test hinge function. Replace the bottom case. Reinstall screws in their original positions. Verify smooth lid motion, and job complete.